Hello beauties, welcome to Women Hairstyles. We have this beautiful short natural haircut that enhance and generate soft fluent looks for short and lustrous look. One thing about this haircut is that they will add dimension to your hair while it's still allowing easy maintenance. It's just a style that just simply apply those smoothing cream to your bed head and you are good to go for the rest of the day. So it's a haircut that says senior women, can rock. It's a simple statement making haircut that will really take many years off your age. You can see how this hairstyle looks so luscious, and it's a style you can rock while you age gracefully. One thing about the style is that make sure to expose the ears enough in case you want to rock those beautiful earrings. And there are so many countless ways for you to make this unique haircut and express your personal style. Please watch this video to the end because there are many style options for you to try. So this is a hairstyle that will bring more depth to your cut, and it's one of the haircut for older matured women because it's arguably like the most popular haircut, that brings that individuality and spice. So can you see how this haircut looks so flattering? It's a timeless cut that always look good. Just try to tailor yours to suit your facial features and your personality. So this is a style that will always enhance your look even further. Just take a good look on this haircut and see how it will make you look so younger. And try to check out other of my videos of some beautiful short natural haircut that will make you look younger, and other videos that shows you how you can style your hair right in your house. Okay, I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers, and if it's the first time here in Women Hairstyles, please do wait to subscribe and hit the like button and let us know your mind in the comment section below. God bless you guys and see you guys in my next upload. Bye.